In this tutorial, I'll show you how to show bid and ask price lines on your TradingView chart. By the end, you'll have the bid and ask price lines visible on your TradingView chart and customized for clear, easy viewing. First, open the chart settings. Right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings from the menu. If you prefer, you can also click the gear icon in the top right of the chart. Either action opens the same settings panel, so use whichever is quicker for you. Next, navigate to the section where the price scale options live. Click the Scales and Lines tab. Depending on your TradingView version, this section may appear under a tab named Symbol or Canvas. If you don't immediately see Scales and Lines, look for a tab with options related to the price scale or chart lines. Once you're in the right place, you'll see controls for lines that appear on the chart and along the price scale. Now, enable the price lines. In the Lines section, check the box for Bid and then check the box for Ask. As soon as you tick these boxes, the bid and ask lines will appear on your chart and along the price scale. The bid line tracks the current highest price buyers are offering, and the ask line tracks the current lowest price sellers are willing to accept. You should see two horizontal lines update in real time as the market moves. This change is safe and does not alter your chart data or indicators. It only shows the live price levels. At this point, customize the appearance so the lines are easy to see on your chart background. Still in the same section, adjust the line colors for bid and ask. I'll choose contrasting colors that stand out against your theme. For example, one color for bid and a different color for ask, so you can distinguish them at a glance. If your theme is dark, brighter colors can help. If it's light, choose slightly deeper tones. From here, set the line style to match your preference. You can switch between solid, dashed, or dotted styles and adjust the thickness to make the lines more or less prominent. A slightly thicker style is useful if you watch price action closely or if your chart is scaled out. Keep your changes consistent so bid and ask remain visually distinct and quickly recognizable. Once that's done, glance back at the chart to confirm the lines are clearly visible and not blending into other elements like moving averages or drawings. If they're hard to see, you return to the same color and style options and tweak them until the visibility is comfortable. You don't need to apply or save anything separately here. These settings take effect immediately as you make them. Now watch the price scale on the right. You should see the bid and ask labels move with the market, with the lines following in real time across the chart window. If the market is active, the two lines will sit close together and update frequently. If you're viewing a market that's closed, the lines will still display, but they won't move until trading resumes. That's all you need. You opened the TradingView settings, navigated to Scales and Lines, enabled the bid and ask options, and customized their colors and styles for better visibility. Your TradingView chart now shows the bid and ask price lines, and they will update automatically as price changes. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.